Hello and welcome. My name is Morty from Lakeside Pottery. In this lesson, I would illustrate how to make a missing ceramic piece as shown here using the mold in resin method as opposed to clay. This would be using more available materials and it applies both to seamless repair and Kintsugi. First step is to mix the 2 parts mold making material in finding the best spot that I can apply to that can mimic the missing piece. You wait for it to cure, take a few hours, you take it off, and here is your mold. We use a Model Pro type of resin. It's 50-50. We weigh that to make sure the amounts are equal for both parts. Mix really well, like 30 seconds. This is fast forward so you don't see the timing correctly. We use pebbles to hold the place to help gravity place it properly. And then we pour it in. We wait a couple of hours and here it is. It's extremely hard resin. One of the other methods we use is clay, although it's more complex, but this is sufficient for most projects. Now you have to shape it to the missing piece. This is one way to do it. And we have to cut all the excess off. That's a diamond disc for cutting approximately. Later on we're gonna do it more precisely. We just want to take most of the material off. Make sure you wear a mask. This thing is brutal, it gets everywhere. That's a rough shape. Now we need to taper it down to the precise shape. This is Dremel drum sandpaper. It works really well with resin. Quick, be careful, don't take too much. Verify proper fit before you use epoxy. And that's PC clear epoxy. Again, we use the pebbles to hold it in proper orientation so the piece would cooperate with gravity as you apply it on top of it. Sometimes I put tape. Last thing you want is for it to shift as you wait for it to cure. Just helps it to stay in place. Once it's cured, you take it off, you fill it in with PC11 filler epoxy. All of this information is on our website with much more details, lakesidepottery.com. Go to lessons. You apply the PC11, you push it in the cracks to make sure that there are no voids. I'm going fast forward here. That's not the real speed. I use alcohol to wipe it off. With this one, it would be Kintsugi, so I'm not going to sand it. If you do seamless repair, you have to use sandpaper. We use 23.5 karat gold. I'm not showing the lacquer process. It is proprietary, I'm sorry, but that's the end result using Kintsugi. You use the same process if it was a seamless repair. You're just going to paint the details instead of gold. Thank you.